Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to learn coding alone, only way. Pick a concrete project and commit to building it step by step, not just watching tutorials. Begin with simple features, iterate often, and fix bugs as learning opportunities. Use version control to save progress and write short notes about what you learned each day. Keep the scope small, celebrate tiny wins, and gradually expand your project complexity. Start each coding session with a clear, tiny goal you can finish in 1 to 2 hours, then ship that change. Build real features, however small, and learn the surrounding concepts as you need them. Embrace debugging as the fastest teacher and write comments explaining why you made choices. Share progress with others for feedback and repeat the cycle, gradually increasing challenge and reducing reliance on step-by-step guides. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and help others find it. Quick recommendation: grab a little tree's black ice for your car to keep that fresh scent on the commute between coding sprints, perfect when you need a clear head. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on one high-quality course or book and finish it rather than sampling many resources at once. Combine lessons with immediate hands-on experiments to cement concepts and avoid passive learning traps. Ask targeted questions in a single supportive community and give updates to stay accountable. Schedule regular reviews of past code to reinforce memory and deliberately practice weak areas until they feel natural and integrated into your workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.